Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at the Journal Ledger Journal Entries option in Sage 300 Cloud ERP. I'm logged into the Sage 300 Desktop Edition. I'll quickly go to General Ledger here, GL Transactions. For creating a new journal entry, I can use this option of Journal Entry here. I'll click on the New button or the plus sign to add a new transaction. Let's say I want to record a rent distribution entry, rent charged for the month of Jan 2025. I'll copy this description, use it for my entry. Transaction date in my example is 31st of January. I want to accept this date. Generally we tend to use the normal mode, so I will start with that. Reference is rent, description is the one that I copied. I'll find the account using the finder option here, where the description contains rent. I'll use rent for warehouse as the expense account, charge 10,000 here, insert key on the keyboard to jump to line number 2. Reference is same, description copied. For the finder you can use the F5 key on your keyboard as a shortcut. Find the one account which contains rent in its description, and I'm going to use prepaid expenses rent account. Enter 10,000 here, add. So my entry is added. When I save the entry, I will quickly jump into entry number 2. Now in this case, I'm going to use the same description, date of 31st of January, which is same for my posting date. And I'm going to use the entry mode quick. This is the shortcut which we generally do not use a lot. So let's try that. In the reference, rent and description, let's select the account quickly. Rent of office, and I want to enter 7,500, insert. Now when I hit the insert key on the keyboard, the reference and description are automatically copied from the line above. That can help a lot of time in case you're doing big transactions. Now let's say I want to find an account which contains prepaid. I'm going to use prepaid expenses rent 7,500. I will add this transaction, close this transaction entry, go to the batch list, and here you should see your new transaction appearing in the list. Mark this as ready to post when the transaction is final and click on the post button. That will take care of posting. When you see the message posting sequence number so and so completed, that means the transaction was successfully posted in your books. That's about creation of journal entry, and don't forget the tip of entering the quick mode.